China's DeepSeek has gone so viral, it has even entered the Indian film industry. What if I told you a top Indian music composer is already using AI to speed up music production? Santhosh Narayanan just revealed he's using the Chinese AI model DeepSeek to create his latest tracks. And these songs aren't just one-off singles or experiments. These are songs of two much-awaited films starring megastars. Surya starring Retro and AR Murugados's next directorial venture, Sikander, starring superstar Salman Khan, touted by many to be Bhai's comeback film. DeepSeek has been so good for me personally for coding in Reaper. It has reduced my STEM export time by over 60% for Retro and Sikander. In other words, AI isn't just generating music, it's accelerating how musicians create it. Reaper and AI together, a power-packed combo. For those who don't know, Reaper is a DAW, digital audio workstation used by top music producers for recording, mixing and editing music. Santhosh is not the only one in this shift. AI is changing the way music is made. Maestro AR Rahman used AI to bring back the voices of late singers. Paul McCartney used AI to recreate a Beatles song. Zed said that AI unlocked creative inspirations for him. But AI in music isn't without controversy. A user on X joked, "Enna thala, promotions are?" Santosh's super witty and bang-on reply, "Lol, it has depleted $500 billion from Nvidia. Doesn't need promotion from me." Well said, Santhosh. The debate is quite clear. AI is now a tool for artists. But the question is, will AI change how we create music? Or will AI now become the musician? One thing is certain, AI in music is in the future. It's already here. For real-time AI updates just like this, think AI, think AIM.